today's video is going to be how to properly clean your lady parts. Now when I say lady parts, I mean your cooch, your boom boom, you know. And I know that I make a lot of hygiene videos, but I feel like there aren't too many videos that are specifically just about how to clean your lady parts. And there's a lot of things I feel like you guys don't know that you should know, that your girl gonna teach you and tell you. Oh, first and foremost, before we get in the video, if you aren't already subscribed, subscribe? What are you doing? If you aren't part of the pretty gang, what could you possibly be doing? You know what I'm saying? So make sure you're part of the pretty gang by subscribing down below. Thumbs this video because it does help me. Also make sure you comment down below and let you what you want to see from me next. Let's just get into the video. I'm drinking hot chocolate. I love hot chocolate. As far as feminine hygiene goes, when it comes to downstairs, your downstairs area, I do recommend, well, let's put it like this. Hair plays a big factor into don't mind my fingers being red. I just ate some hot chips. But hair down there does play a huge factor, believe it or not, in smell. Hair traps smell. If you're on your period, hair can trap that menstrual, you know what I'm saying? It can trap that smell, it can trap all of that. So if you're a person who isn't comfortable with shaving, I highly suggest that you cut that hair and trim it and keep it to a minimum. Make it to like where it's like a little grain of rice, okay? You don't want it to be too long to where it can trap that hair and that odor sits down there and it ain't gonna be a pretty smell. But what I have been doing, I usually always shave. Like shaving has always been my thing. Lately I've been going to get wax. I've been going to get a Brazilian wax. Y'all, it is a game changer. I'm telling you, if you are a person who doesn't want hair down there, I'd highly suggest going to get a wax. I feel like waxing plays a huge role. It definitely helps with as far as discoloration, just your overall vaginal health. Like it helps with discoloration, ingrowns. You don't have to keep shaving. You don't have to worry about hair so much. Probably have to do a wax maybe like once a month, maybe twice a month. It lasts you like almost a whole month. The more you go, the lighter the hair gets and the less you have to go get a wax, okay? Secondly, now we're gonna start talking about the cleaning process. So we're in the shower, we cleansed our body, now it's time to clean our vagina. I highly recommend for you guys to either use soaps that are mild scented, like they have a mild scent, or they're no scented, like they don't have a scent at all. They're unscented. The soaps that I recommend, that I highly suggest, is Dove. Like I don't use anybody but Dove. Like you cannot go wrong with Dove. Like I haven't used any Dove product that I don't like. Pretty much, this is the Dove. Let me make it so y'all can see. This is the Dove bar soap. Sorry that the box look a little beat up, but just reality. Like I use it in the shower when it be falling. So yeah, basically what I do is I take this and I get a towel, which is a microfiber towel. My towels are actually in the shower. I don't know why I left them in there. I usually do that all the time like an idiot. Don't mind how filthy this is. It's not even filthy, it's just unorganized. But basically you get in the shower, you want to get a microfiber cloth or a baby cloth because these are gentle for that area. You want to be gentle on that area when cleaning it. So you take that, you wet your microfiber cloth up, and then you soap your towel up with the Dove bar soap. This is the soap right here, just a plain Dove bar soap. Sorry if y'all hear my retarded brother singing like he ain't got no common sense. Back to what I was saying. So you get that towel really wet. You want to drench that microfiber towel, and then you want to take your Dove bar soap and soap the towel up really good. Then you want to start cleaning that area. You want to clean that area for about a good minute, maybe a minute and 30 seconds. You just want to clean your vag a good minute. You want to move on to your buttocks and the booty crack, girl. And you want to clean that for a good minute too. Like you want to clean it really good. You want to make sure everything is clean. Like you want to clean it really good. Then you want to go ahead and rinse with hot water, okay? Hot. Do y'all hear me? Say it with me. Hot water. Okay? Water is just really dope when it comes to killing scents and bacteria. So hot water, okay? Not hot to where your cooch about to burn off, but hot to where like you really feeling that clean. You know what I'm saying? You feeling the power. So once you do that with hot water, you rinse it out with hot water, then you go ahead and wash again. What I like to do sometimes is the second time that I go in and wash, sometimes depending on how I'm feeling, and especially because I do wax, I highly recommend. So as you guys know, when it comes to shaving or waxing, I definitely recommend exfoliating. Exfoliating is really good when it comes to cleaning your lady parts and getting that smell good down there and neutral. And so I like to get this right here. And I like to take it and I like to wet it with water. I use it specifically just for my cooch. If you do exfoliate your body, you want to have a different cloth from the one you exfoliate your body with. So this is not too rough of a cloth, but I like to take a little bit of this deep moisture Dove, and we're washing our cooch a second time, guys. If you're really big on your hygiene like you want to be, you got to wash that cooch a second time. We need it to smell fresh. You know what I'm saying? You should be doing that anyway. But like I said, a lot of people don't know this, y'all, because a lot of people just don't know this. Some of us come up where our parents don't teach us this. Not that our parents are bad parents, just don't teach us these type of things. Sometimes you gotta learn from somebody else, and that's what your girl is here for. That is my duty, ladies. But back to what I was saying. Sorry, I'm getting off track. But you take this cloth and I put a few pumps of the deep moisture, and this gets really soapy, and I soap it up, and I don't even clean the inside. That was the purpose of cleaning it the first time with the microfiber towel. I just take this and I just go on the outside just so I'm getting an exfoliation, because I do get waxes. Or even if you just shave, or even if your hair is trimmed, exfoliating is really good for scent, because you're getting any buildup off of your cooch and you're just cleaning that surface and getting that area just nice and clean. So same thing with your underarms too, guys. Definitely exfoliate and clean under your underarms, because that's the way you get a better scent. You know what I'm saying? So I just do this. I just get that area of my vag and I get in my booty crack a little bit, and I exfoliate, and do this gently. This is a gentle exfoliator, but do this gently. You don't want to hurt yourself or hurt your cooch. Don't go inside. It also keeps it from getting dark down there, because I know a lot of people don't like discoloration, and it also helps from that. And y'all, discoloration is normal. It's normal. Don't feel like it's not. It's definitely normal. All right, so then we rinse that vag off. Once we do that, we rinse that vag off, sweetheart. Now, I'm going to show y'all my secret, my game changer. A lot of y'all, if y'all watch my channel, you already know what I'm talking about. But I'm going to show y'all something that has definitely changed the game for me when it comes to hygiene, especially to my vag. First, let me say this. A lot of people don't know this, and I feel like a lot of people don't know this, but I have to. Things that I didn't know before I started, you know, doing the do, is that your whole hygiene game will change, because now you're doing things, and you know what I'm saying, and other people's fluids are with your fluids, and you just got to be more healthier. I know this is a little TMI, but it's the truth, ladies, and a lot of people don't know this, and that's, like I said, that's what I'm here for. And you start having, you know, you start doing a do, you have to have a different type of hygiene game. Hygiene changes for you, because before you do it, like, it's 100% clean. Nobody's been down there, you know what I'm saying, since juices done been with your juices. And with women, our pH balance is like strict. Like, we can't have nothing down there, otherwise we'll throw the pH balance off. So the slightest thing can throw us off. So with that being said, sex does change a lot. Okay, sex does change your hygiene game. So you gotta be on another level with it. You gots to get this. This was a game changer for me. Like, changed so much, especially since I'm getting older. I know y'all see this on my channel a lot, and y'all feel like these are by far the best thing for hygiene that I've came across. And the girl, it's a black owned business, and she has plenty of other products, but I'm gonna just talk about this one. This is the Cookie Restore capsules, baby. These things will clean you out and restore that pH balance so fast, so quick. Wow. Like, if you have, it removes odor. If you have any yeast infection symptoms, it's good for that. It gives you a feeling of being extra fresh after your period. So if you get off your period, you know your pH balance is kind of, you know, a little off. This helps get that pH balance right back, gets rid of that smell. It's claimed to make people more confident about having sex. And then it says treated the after sex odor. So it has boric acid in it, and if you guys do your research, you'll see that boric acid is perfect for vaginal health and vaginal hygiene. And if you have any bacterial vaginosis, any yeast infections, this pill is not only for that, but it's perfect for just giving you a quick cleanup with. Now, this is 100% all natural, and I love this. You just insert it up there. It's easy, really easy. 24 hours. You gotta wait 24 hours. 24 hours, and it'll dissolve, it'll come out, and then if you feel like you want to do it again, you do it again. So these things are number one. I would highly, if you don't already have it, get it. I will put my discount code right here on the screen, and I will also put a link down below so you guys can go to it. Try it, guys. Try it, and if you love it, thank me later, okay? I think that pretty much sums up this video. If you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below. Tell everybody you know about your girl. Comment down below what you want to see next, and until next time, pretty gang.